Number 1.
Oh, medyo nahihirapan, no? Oo, medyo mahirap talaga, kuya.
The thief is angry sa...
Ang magnanakaw ay galit sa kapwa
Ang
magnanakaw.
galing ako!
Wow naman!
One point!
Galing
One
naman.
point! Number 2.
Number 2.
Don't pass here or you could die.
Bawal tumawid dito. Nakakamatay.
Correct!
Galing ah!
Ang galing ni Ate
Go, number 3.
Diana.
Number 3.
Play sa las... Ay, I'm saying it in Tagalog. When you're drunk, don't...
Don't drink and drive.
Sa Australia yan eh.
We have 50 seconds pa naman.
Don't kid around. Yeah. Hindi ko alam eh.
Pass ka muna,
Pass,
babe.
pass
Pass.
muna.
Pass, pass.
Pass.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Throw in the heaven. Throw a rock in
Bato,
the sky.
bato sa langit. Ang tamaan ay huwag magalit.
Ay, may ESP! Wala bang sinasabi? Alam mo na kagad?
Mag-asawa kasi,
Throw in the
mag-asawa.
heaven. True pa lang.
Number
Number
five,
5. Number 5.
6,
If you
5,
throw a rock,
4, 3, 2,
something will break.
Galing!
Medyo mahirap yan ah.
Nakakabili.